Every unforgettable adventure begins with a single idea. Before this machine could conquer mountains and continents, it existed only as thousands of components waiting to become one. Every bolt, every gear, every electronic system has a purpose. Together they form a motorcycle trusted by adventurers across the world. The frame forms the backbone of the motorcycle, providing strength, stability, and the confidence to tackle every journey. At the heart of the motorcycle lies BMW's famous Boxer engine, engineered to deliver smooth power, balance, and long-distance reliability. Precision is everything. Every connection is engineered to withstand years of demanding adventures. The shaft drive transfers power efficiently while reducing maintenance, making it ideal for riders who travel thousands of kilometers. The advanced rear suspension absorbs rough terrain, while keeping the motorcycle stable and comfortable. BMW's telelever suspension minimizes front-end dive under braking, helping maintain control on uneven surfaces. Strong spoked wheels and powerful braking systems prepare the motorcycle for highways, mountain passes. With its signature fuel tank in place, the machine begins to reveal the unmistakable identity of the BMW R1250 GS Adventure. The front fender protects against mud, water, and debris, while adding the unmistakable adventure bike profile. Wide handlebars provide excellent control, giving riders confidence whether navigating city streets or remote mountain trails. Advanced TFT display keeps the rider informed with navigation, ride data, and intelligent control system. Designed for maximum visibility, the LED headlight transforms darkness into confidence. Every panel is sculpted to combine aerodynamic performance with unmistakable adventure styling. Engineered for efficiency and character, the exhaust delivers the unmistakable voice of the Boxer engine. Adventure demands durability. Protective equipment shields vital components when the journey becomes unpredictable. Long-distance comfort is just as important as performance, allowing riders to travel farther with less fatigue. Built for exploration, the luggage system prepares the motorcycle to carry everything needed for journeys across continents. Components to a masterpiece of engineering, the BMW R1250 GS Adventure is almost ready to begin the journey it was built for. Hidden beneath the bodywork, hundreds of electrical connections allow every system to communicate in perfect harmony. The electronic control unit continuously monitors the motorcycle, optimizing performance, efficiency, and reliability. The fuel system delivers a precise mixture to the engine, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Before the first start, engine oil reaches every critical component, reducing friction and protecting the heart of the motorcycle. An efficient cooling system keeps the engine performing consistently, even during demanding adventures.
The intelligent cockpit places navigation, ride information, and advanced rider assistance at your fingertips. Every component passes a final inspection to ensure the motorcycle is ready for the challenges ahead. Even the smallest fastener plays an important role in creating a motorcycle built for reliability and adventure. A symbol recognized around the world, representing engineering, innovation, and the spirit of exploration. Every component is in place. Every system is ready. The moment has arrived to awaken the legendary Boxer engine. With a single press, thousands of precision-engineered components become one living machine. The adventure has officially begun. Every great machine is built with a purpose. This one was created to explore places where ordinary roads come to an end. Every twist of the throttle opens the door to new horizons, where every curve tells another chapter of the journey. Adventure isn't measured by smooth highways, but by the courage to ride beyond them. BMW R 1250 GS Adventure is engineered to transform every journey into an unforgettable experience. Built from thousands of parts, powered by engineering, driven by adventure, this is the BMW R12 Adventure. Where will your next journey begin? Or off-road. Test its limits. Every path becomes a trail. The ultimate reward? With over 1 million models sold and a presence in over 150 countries, global leader. Celebrating 40 years of adventure, your next journey begins today.